Going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of both owned Teslas. Just wanted to give you all a quick kind of overview of this used 2020 Tesla Model X I purchased. This is the Long Range Plus. I just took delivery of this last week. Purchased it off CarMax. As you can see, it's in pristine condition. It's got some 20-inch upgraded wheels. I did add the Tesla stickers to them, but moving around the vehicle here, you can see it's the all black interior. Pretty new Pirelli 20-inch tires included as well. Overall pristine condition on the outside. Really the only thing that I've noticed is this small scratch here, and then the charging port kind of gets stuck, doesn't close all the way. Was gonna take that into service, just haven't had the chance yet. So it did come with one key fob, so obviously you can double click to open the driver door, passenger door, and it does have the freaking awesome Falcon Wing doors that have not got old. I don't think they're going to get old. And then taking you to the inside here, as you can see, this is the 6-seat configuration. I kind of keep this down just so I can see better out of the rear view mirror up front, but it does have the captain seats there in the middle. Hit this button and they do fold in. I mean, the inside is honestly in pristine condition. Really nothing that I can see that's really out of place. I mean, you have stuff like this where it's kind of coming off the cup holder there. You can kind of tell it's definitely a used vehicle, but I mean, for the price, it's hard to beat. This has 59,000 miles on it, and I paid about 31,000 for it. So kind of moving, close this door, and we'll close this door as well. Still kind of getting used to the door closing. As I said, my wife owns a Model Y. This is the first Model X I've driven, test driven, anything, so it's kind of new to me. So moving to the inside here. Like I said, it is in pristine condition. I've already named it Vader. Shout out to all the Star Wars fans. But moving over here to the screen and kind of the front row, as you can see, it is all black. I thought I was going to black out this wood. I actually really like the wood now that I've been inside of the vehicle. As you can see here, it is the Long Range Plus configuration. Moving over to this massive 17-inch touchscreen, I really like the vertical layout as opposed to the 2022 refresh models that have the horizontal layout. I really do kind of prefer this layout a little bit more. My wife's Model Y has the horizontal layout, so it's kind of the best of both worlds. I have access to any of those when I want it. One thing I did notice is that it didn't come with the cup holder inserts, so I went ahead and ordered some OEM ones on eBay. But everything's working good there. It does have the wireless charger, which I believe came on the new-ish 2020 model, so that's nice. You do have the slide back console for additional cup holders here. Really wish this console opened, but I mean, again, with the amount of space you get in here, it's not a huge deal. Really shouldn't be having that much stuff in your front console anyways. I like the kind of manual glove box compartment there. And then moving here to, we can pull up the service here. As you can see, it does have 59,675 miles. Like I said, I did pay about 31 grand for this vehicle. Upon getting in the vehicle, unbeknownst to me, this does have the full self-driving, which I was super pumped about. CarMax did not advertise this. I don't even think they knew that it had full self-driving capability included. So I was obviously extremely excited when I got in this vehicle and found out that it did have full self-driving. So super awesome there. I've been utilizing that feature a lot, and definitely plan on uploading another video just going over the full self-driving features of this vehicle. So that's really just about it, guys. I just wanted to give you all kind of a full recap of what you can expect if you buy a used Model X. I'm sure, I mean, your mileage will vary. No pun intended. I would say this one is a 9 out of 10 condition. I really can't. I mean, there's little stuff, the little paint on the wheels, but it's all very minute stuff. And overall, I'm very happy with the deal I got on this vehicle. Again, I'll be going over just a full self-driving video. I'm going to make a video on my wife's Model Y. I'm going to make a full video on just the interface of this screen and all of the controls on this vehicle and the driving capabilities. So definitely stay tuned, and please subscribe if this helped you out. Have a good one.